Hello, welcome back to Monster Art. Today, we're going to draw a plant or flower monster.
Yeah.
Summertime, it's gonna be what?
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be epic. Let's go. To help, this drawing is a little bit more technical than what we've done in the past.
It's a little harder.
So to help us out, we're gonna just do a pencil for now, so we can erase when we mess up. And something else to help us is find something that's round. I got some duct tape that we can use to kind of trace a few things. Sound good? We're gonna start with the head of our flower monster, plant monster. And I'm just gonna trace that like that. You're gonna go on the inside, eh? That looks good. Next, so that's our head. We're gonna do an eyeball. Now, I don't have anything small enough, but if you have something a little bit smaller than this circle, you could use.
I think that would be okay.
You really want it?
Yeah.
You could use a, oh look, here, use this.
This. It would probably work better for me because you're.
Yeah, mine's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
So we're gonna draw. We're gonna draw an eye. Okay, you can just draw an eye at the top there for us. And he's gonna use something to help him trace with. I'm just gonna wing it here, and hopefully it turns out okay. How'd it turn out? That's great.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave on my lines for a minute. Kind of like a U, it kind of swirls back up and then goes back out. Now we're going to do his teeth. And you can make his teeth sharp, round, friendly, scary. I'm gonna kind of make them just like upside down U's. You want to make them pointy? You can. So we're just going to do a bunch of U's inside his mouth. Not upside down U's, just normal U's. Sorry. The bottom would be. Ooh, you're doing both. It's good. These are upside down U's. You can make them whatever size you want, however many you want. So now we got kind of the face, the eye. Let's go back to the eye and add some detail. So I'm gonna actually erase a little bit here so I can finish his eye out. We'll draw a few circles inside of his eye. Let's start with one bigger one. Good job, and then we'll draw a little bit smaller one in there. And then we'll add a couple highlights in there. And we'll come back over here. Looks great. Next, we need to add a bunch of leaves and flowers. So I'm gonna start with a flower over on this side of his head, and it's gonna just be like a little circle. Yep. And then you're just gonna add some petals to this flower. And you can make some, you can erase some stuff if you need to. Water grab it. Here's kind of a flower. Maybe it kind of some petals. Ooh, I like it. Looks good. Now we need to add some leaves all the way around his face. Leaves.
It's gonna be real rough.
It's gonna be a little rough. Let's go. So leaves are like a triangle, kind of like a triangle shape. A little bit. I'm gonna start up here. And you can kind of make these how. Draw a big pot, how kind of however you want. You can follow along or do your own thing. And just get kind of another layer in there. I'm gonna draw like some dirt or pebbles that have kind of fallen. There we go, man. This turned out good. What's that?
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer?
Or things that get rid of the weeds.
Well, hey, thanks for drawing a plant flower monster with us. That was fun. It was a little more technical, a little longer video. We hope you enjoyed it. Check us out and come back for more videos.
Yes,
We'll
please
see
do.
ya.
Good.